Top high sodium foods to avoid with Parkinson's. Parkinson's disease affects the nervous system, causing symptoms like tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with movement. While medication and exercise are important, diet also plays a significant role in managing the condition. High sodium intake can worsen issues like high blood pressure, dehydration, and fluid retention, which can complicate Parkinson's symptoms. Here are the top high sodium foods to avoid if you have Parkinson's disease. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats, are often loaded with sodium for preservation and flavor. Regular consumption of these meats can contribute to high blood pressure and fluid retention, both of which can make managing Parkinson's more difficult. 2. Canned soups. Canned soups are convenient but typically contain high levels of sodium to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. Even low-sodium options can still be too salty. Homemade soups made with fresh ingredients are a healthier alternative. 3. Salty snacks. Chips, pretzels, and other salted snacks are packed with sodium. These foods can lead to bloating, dehydration, and increased blood pressure. Consider snacking on fresh fruits, vegetables, or unsalted nuts instead. 4. Cheese and dairy. Cheese, especially processed varieties, can be high in sodium. A single slice of cheese can contain up to 200 milligrams of sodium. Opt for lower sodium cheeses or reduce overall cheese intake to manage sodium levels. 5. Frozen dinners. Frozen meals and TV dinners are convenient but often contain excessive sodium. They are pre-seasoned with salt for flavor and preservation. Cooking meals from scratch allows for better control over sodium intake. 6. Fast food. Fast food is notorious for being high in sodium. Burgers, fries, and fried chicken are usually heavily salted. When eating out, try to request no added salt or choose dishes with less sodium. 7. Condiments and sauces. Condiments like soy sauce, ketchup, and salad dressings often contain high amounts of sodium. For example, a tablespoon of soy sauce can have over 1,000 milligrams of sodium. Use low-sodium alternatives or fresh herbs and spices for flavor. 8. Pickled foods. Pickled foods, such as pickles and olives, are high in sodium due to the brining process. These foods should be consumed in moderation or replaced with fresh vegetables. 9. Instant noodles. Instant noodles are convenient but are packed with sodium in the seasoning packets. While quick and easy, they contribute significantly to sodium intake. Choose homemade meals or look for low-sodium noodle options. 10. Bread and bakery products. Store-bought bread can be a hidden source of sodium. Many packaged breads contain added salt for flavor and preservation. Choose freshly baked bread or low-sodium varieties to reduce your sodium intake. Sodium intake plays a significant role in managing Parkinson's disease. Excessive sodium can contribute to high blood pressure and other complications. By avoiding high-sodium foods like processed meats, canned soups, and salty snacks, you can better control your symptoms. Focus on fresh, whole foods and limit processed items to help manage your condition more effectively. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.